Hello everybody. Well, today I thought I'd share with something quite unusual, something that I don't usually collect. Well, it's especially for all you fan enthusiasts out there. What I have here is a HPM ceiling fan, 4 blade. Now this I found on Facebook Marketplace. It was a brand new unit that someone was selling, so I thought I might as well pick one up. Okay. The reason I did this is because at my local gym, one of their fans is broken, so I thought I might as well buy them a new fan. Okay. Now, normally this would retail for about $89. Okay, this one I've got for $45. Okay, that's probably half the price. So brand new, never used. Okay, never used, and never even assembled until now. All right. So I got this in its original box. Okay. So this is made by HPM. Now there are other companies that make identical design, but this is the HPM design. All right, but yeah. Now things aren't going too well around the world apparently with this COVID-19 stuff, and apparently 24-hour curfews and everything. And my gym is closed, so I won't be able to give them the fan until the gym reopens. But I thought I'd just show you it. All right, this will probably be good for all the fan enthusiasts. Okay. So this is a ceiling fan, all right, made by HPM. All right, so I'll show you close up of it. This is the back of the fan itself. Okay, if you can see the back there. Okay, it's all white aluminium. The blades, which these things are held on by 2 screws around the motor. Okay, or the head. They're very easy to put on. You just slide them on there and you just tighten up the screws. All right. You have your summer winter mode switch there. So, okay, so depends on which way you want the fan to spin. You just simply turn that up and down, and then you have your information sticker there. All right. So now this one's a hang sewer mount. Okay, which is the part there. There is also a J hook mount. Okay, but this one's the hang sewer. I find hang sewer to be strong than J hook ones. I think that one's a little bit more accurate. All right, because it's designed for incline ceilings and everything like that. Okay, now what that switch does is when you look at your fan from here, this is the front. When it's set to summer mode, it will turn anti-clockwise, so it will turn this way. When it's set to winter mode, it turns clockwise. Okay, so that's the way it is. Alright, so that just allows which way you want the air to go. So when it's turning anti-clockwise, air gets blown this way, but when it turns clockwise, air goes that way. Alright, so it's pretty cool. Pretty cool design, okay? Okay, for an Australian designed and manufactured product. Okay, now on the front of the head, we have this little cover here, which covers over a threaded opening, which is also used for a light kit, because there's light kits that you can get for these. Okay, and which threads into the fan itself, and then you can put a light on there. Okay, this one, the light kit you actually have to buy separately. There is also remote control kits for this as well. Okay, so you can control it via a remote. Okay, so if you don't have the knob, you just simply use a remote. Now these come in 2 colors. They come in white and grey. So this is the white one. Okay, and there's also they come in either 4 or 3 blades. This is the 4-blade model. All right, you can get them in 90 centimeter blades. You can get them in 1.2 meter blades and 1.5 meter blades. This one here is the 1.2 meter. Okay, and I'll just show you how wide it is. I'll put this 1.2 meter LED tube down there. You can see it's nearly as wide as that. Okay, so it's quite a big fan. All right, so that's quite a big fan, but yeah, but with the blade lengths, the short ones would be about here. Then you got the one here, and then you got the longer ones which go out to here. All right, so that's pretty interesting. Okay, well here's the box it came in. Okay, now this was brand new. This guy who had it, it's obviously been sitting in his garage or something for a while, and the box has gotten damaged over time. Okay, it's all full of rubbish, but once again, it's new. I just had to wipe the fan down a little bit to get all the crap rubbish off it. But these are the instructions. Okay, that's your instruction booklet. It's all creased up, apparently. It shows you how to install it, how to put the blades on, and how to wire it up. Okay, and how to attach the the bracket, that's the hang skewer, that's the J hook. Okay, then you've got your terminals. Okay, tells you where to run the mains wire through. Tells you how to hang it up on the bracket. Okay, then now this is just a plug in. Okay, but you have to wire it up, or you have to wire it in the terminal block and you just plug it in. Okay, and it shows you how to put the cover on and the different types of knobs, and they're all the different other types. Now those are the plastics that all the blades came in to protect them. This is your terminal block cable right here. Okay, that just plugs into the fan, then you just wire it in. Okay, inside here we have all our mounting hardware that came with it. We got some screws. Okay, there are your screws. We've got more types of screws. Then we've got all this stuff. Okay, that comes with it. Alright, so that's some other things. They also include another terminal block, and your inside here is the switch, the controller. Okay, if you use it, if you're using a remote control, that control is technically irrelevant. But if you're not using a remote control, you need to use it. Alright, so that's the box. Okay, I'll just show you that. Yeah, obviously this has been yellow, but it would have been, yeah, but that's the picture of it. Okay, and there's the side. Alright, so that's the box. Alright, and that's all the wrappings that the blades were in. So yeah, so that's a HPM 4-blade ceiling fan. Hope you enjoyed, and that'll be it.